Developing confidence. Confidence in yourself and in your abilities is an essential attribute. You can develop self-confidence through experience and training, just as you can learn how to use your self-assurance to sell yourself when seeking to impress others. Doing your best. You can strengthen your confidence by dwelling on what you do well. Do not compare yourself unfavorably with others or suppose that others are judging you adversely. If you do feel inadequate in any area, train to improve your skills. Take pride in what you have done well and approach your tasks like a professional sportsperson. Train to improve strengths and eliminate weaknesses, but recognize that doing as well as you can and constantly raising that level is the most that you and others can expect. Seeking advice. People continually observe and frequently judge what you are doing and how think of your self-advertisement that is always on air. Being scrutinized by others might feel you uncomfortable, but your confidence will improve if you know that the observations are positive. Do not be afraid to seek feedback from customers, employers, superiors, colleagues, and suppliers. Having received the feedback, act on what you have learned. This is not the same as seeking the approval of others. You are using their informed and critical advice to improve your performance and thus to feel better about yourself. Take criticisms on board, but do not allow others to damage your self-esteem. Appearing confident. When you are being interviewed or assessed in your current job, those judging you will be looking for signs of a confident attitude. Have faith in your own ability, and others will recognize it. Handling interviews. You want to make a confident impression at interviews, whichever side of the table you occupy. For example, whether interviewing an applicant for a job or applying yourself, you should be neatly attired. Where possible, prepare for the meeting as you would for a speech. Read background information, compile a list of the questions you want to cover, even rehearse especially important points. Seek to end the interview with a definitive summary. Making a good impression. It is easier to look confident if you are confident. You should be, provided that you know your subject and are aware of your abilities. Feeling nervous does not mean that you have no confidence. A total lack of anxiety indicates overconfidence. Note: 1. Always expect to outdo others at whatever task you undertake. 2. Keep answers in interviews crisp and to the point. 3. Remember to give yourself credit when you know you deserve it. 4. Mentally rehearse how you want an interview to go and compare that with what does happen.